Hey, this will be a video chart on PSPW. I did this one. I know at least an annotated chart. To be honest, can't remember if I've done a video chart on this one yet or not. But regardless, who cares? Got a bunch of requests for it, and I can see why. It's a great looking chart. Not only is it acting very bullish, but it provides a nice little example too of how you would want to see a chart. You could literally put this one right into a textbook. Real quick, what I mean by that is, things first exploded here, so you had big volume, price moved up, and then you can see a pretty long consolidation period. So I know this probably wasn't the most exciting for the longer term holders, but you can see during this consolidation period, volume dropped off quite a bit, and then you had kind of a little pre-alert here. This was kind of like something saying, hey, a breakout's about to happen, and then here was finally where the price got moving. And today, as the price made the great move, you had well above average volume, so that was nice confirmation of this price move. So what I want to do is just map out some supports, resistances, give everybody an idea of what's going on from that perspective, and then hopefully everybody can know what to be looking for next week. So let's first just start off with some areas of support. And the key level of support now was formed today, basically just because a main level of resistance was broken, and that what I'm going to do actually is just create a support zone. And the bottom of the support zone is going to be right here at 25 cents. Why is this a support? Well, you can see here that the price bumped its head on and bumped its head up here 3 straight times before finally being able to break through. So this will be the bottom of the support zone, support area, whatever you want to call it. And then the top of it's going to be this previous high over here, which is at 27 cents. Why is this a resistance, or why is this a support? Well, it was a previous resistance. And technical analysis 101 states that whenever a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. So instead of trying to, just choose one or the other, in instances like this, I just like to create zones. So the support zone is going to be 25 to 27 cents. That is going to be the level that you ideally would like to see it hold. But if it doesn't, you still do have all these moving averages below you. So if for some reason this level can't hang on as support, then you'll definitely want to see these moving averages be able to provide support. Now for the fun stuff, where are the resistance levels at? Really, it's almost a blue sky breakout in a sense, because yes, we do have some previous highs, but if you look back at the volume during these areas, it's not like it's too significant, but nonetheless, I'll get them mapped out. The one area of resistance is going to be right here at 35 cents. So let me get this changed to red, and then I will point out where I'm getting this point from. If we look over here, you can see it was a previous high back in December, and the price did break above it today, intraday, but since we're looking at the daily chart, we only care about where the price actually closed, and you can see it did close below it. So although it did break above it intraday, because it didn't close above it, it is still a resistance. And then the other resistance is just way up here. So this is kind of why I'm calling it a blue sky breakout, because yes, this is a resistance, but given it doesn't have too much price action history over here, I don't think it's gonna present too much of a threat if the price can get up there, and that's up at 47 cents. So even just looking at percentages, that's a pretty big move up there it could possibly make. But the key thing, like any of these charts, and like this one already gives us a great example of, is healthy consolidations. The price may not go straight up there, but as long as the supports hold like they did back during this consolidation period, then the chart's going to remain healthy. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached, so it's worth at least checking out. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website and give it a try. One more time, this was PSPW. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.